Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the CRL, or CR Lawrence HYD03CH. This is a Hydroslide sliding door floor guide kit in polished chrome. That's what we're looking at here. You can immediately tell this is solid brass. Even though it's not called out as such. That's what gives it its incredibly attractive polished chrome finish. This is good. Speaking of the finish, it's available, and I'm looking at a little cheat sheet here. ORB for oil rub bronze, BN for brush nickel, BR for polished brass, and then CH for polished chrome. Floor guide and 2 screws is what this is. You're going to be able to take your, this might be a plastic called Delrin, your inserts, place them within, be able to secure them down so they don't move with these set screws. CR Lawrence gets us started with a couple of screws to do the installation. Okay. Let's take some dimensional properties of the item. You'll sure want to secure that with the set screws, otherwise those pieces are just going to move on you. Overall length. About 1 inch and 15/16. Overall width at the base, about 1 inch and 3/8. It's going to have an overall height of about 15/16 as well. The space between the guides .413 hard space between the 2 inserted plastic guides. Okay, obviously a sliding door floor guide kit is what this is. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the CR Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog where you can review. The full product catalog is actually subsections, full product catalogs in their own right, because of the different several and many product categories that CR Lawrence gets into. This would fall under the frameless shower door hardware category or catalog. They get into architectural hardware, aluminum storefront doors. They get into Blumcraft ladder poles that are compliant with panic exit requirements. Very neat, unique product line from them. They are very much so a one-stop source for all things shower door hardware related. If you have any questions on the CR Lawrence, this is their part number HYD03CH, Hydroslide sliding door floor guide kit in a polished chrome finish, or any other CR Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.